Hi, and welcome to this episode of Empowering Your Job Search. My name is Soozy Miller. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisory Board and my company, Control Your Career. I am a certified behavioral analyst and an executive career coach. I work with executives who feel stuck in their situation. I coach executives to control their career by giving them tools and methodology to land their next awesome opportunity and then to control their overall career path until they don't want to work anymore. So a lot of executives come to me and they're really frustrated about the job search. They come to me because they've been sending their resume out and they've been hearing nothing. Nobody's responding. Nobody is giving them feedback. And that is very frustrating and it's very stressful. And sometimes they've gotten to the point where they believe that they have a skills problem, that they don't have the skills to do the job that they want to do. Or they're afraid that the jobs in their area are no longer available. Nothing is there for them, that they might have to move, and they believe a new location would give them more opportunities. They also believe that their age is getting in the way. They believe that ageism is alive and well, and that they are being discriminated against because they're over a certain age. They also believe, because they've been having problems with the job search, that they chose the wrong career, that maybe they should be going back to school and getting another degree or a different degree because there's just nothing out there for them in the career that they chose. And I'm here to tell you that you don't have a skills problem. You don't have a job availability problem. You don't have a location problem. You don't have an ageism problem most of the time. You don't have a career choice problem. What you have is a resume problem and probably a LinkedIn problem as well. And what I mean by that is your resume probably does not reflect your value add and your leadership impact. And that's important because if you're an executive, they're hiring you, yes, for your skills, and they're hiring you, yes, for your leadership. They're hiring you because they want you to make the company better after they hire you, make it better than when they came. So you want to make sure that you demonstrate your unique value add, your unique leadership expertise on the resume and your LinkedIn profile. Then the offers will come. The opportunities will come for you to choose from. And that's definitely a better situation than being stressed and frustrated with your job search. So thank you for watching today's episode of Empowering Your Job Search. I hope this was helpful to you and your career. If you need further information, just click on the link in the description and I will be glad to talk to you further about this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you get valuable daily updates. I look forward to speaking to you soon.